to one and all present in this virtual session on Google Looker Studio. In fact, I am really honored to have today our distinguished speaker with us, Dr. Gopa Kumar sir. And before we begin the session, I would like to just brief about the Google Looker Studio so that you can have better understanding about this software or this tool which is available online. Google Looker Studio is a free data visualization and reporting tool developed by Google. It allows users to connect multiple data sources like Google Analytics, Google Sheet, databases, and other platforms to create interactive dashboard and also the reports. So with a drag and drop interface, you can do lot of things like designing chart, graphs, tables, and also scorecards to analyze data easily. It also supports real-time data updates, collaboration, and easy sharing through links. Business researchers and institutions use Looker Studio to monitor basically the performance, track trends, and make data-driven decisions through visually appealing and customizable reports. So basically we thought of having a detailed discussion on this tool, and on this occasion we have with us Dr. Gopa Kumar sir. I request all the participants to join my hand to welcome Gopa Kumar sir. Sir, we welcome you to this virtual session and we are thankful for accepting our invitation to be the part of this online session. I take the opportunity to just brief about Dr. Gopa Kumar sir before we begin the session. Dr. Gopa Kumar serves as a university librarian and holds the position of head of the Knowledge Center at the Digital University of Science, Technology and Innovation at Kerala. Prior to this, he held the esteemed roles of university librarian and head of the Department of Library and Information Science at Goa University. Dr. Gopa Kumar has significantly contributed to the academic landscape as a member of the Academic Council and as the chairman of the Board of Studies in the Library and Information Science Department at Goa University. With an extensive professional journey spanning 43 years, Dr. Gopa Kumar has dedicated 26 years of his career to various colleges in Kerala. His educational journey includes a PhD earned from Mangalore University. Following his initial academic pursuits with a BSc in Botany and an MLISC, Library and Information Science, he also possesses a wealth of expertise in diverse library-related software and digital content development software. He is well versed in software application pertaining to academia, digital content creation and data visualization. Dr. Gopa Kumar commitment to knowledge dissemination extends to organizing workshop, refresher courses and 3 international conferences, Caliber 2011, Library Technology Conclave and ICOL 2018. His multifaceted contributions have left a lasting impact on the field of librarianship, information science and academic research. Uh, this is not enough. If I go on telling about sir, I think it will take a day to finish. He has not only provided means the guidance to the researchers and the library professionals, but also he has contributed to the society for the benefit. So it is indeed a pleasure and honor for me to welcome Dr. Gopa Kumar sir, and without taking much of our time, I request Gopa Kumar sir to please take over the session and
Sure.
let us begin the session now. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I wish to make it a practical session. Those who have joined with a mobile may not be able to have it as a practical session. Others can, because I am trying to share the data with you so that you can work along with me. Okay. So basically, as Dr. Tripathi has told, it is a data visualization in the sense. See, if the data is shown in an Excel sheet, you won't decipher ideas from it very easily. It needs to be converted into a picture like graph or anything. It becomes easy. So here I have some data with me. The uh, books purchase data of a library of for the last 3 years, and maybe around 4,677 books are there purchased in 3 years. So that data, it is in Excel sheet, so it can be converted into a visual, and that visual is actually interactive in the sense, when you click somewhere, actually it changes to suit that selection. Okay, I will show you that. First I will show you the data, then I will show you the so I'm sharing the screen and I will be showing you the data first. Then I will show you the visualization I made out of that. And we will try to make the entire visualization properly. So just see. So yeah, here is the data. It is in my downloads folder. Yeah, this it's in Excel, and what I will share is a zip file from which you can download the data. So this is it. Uh, you can see serial numbers are there, which date it was delivered to the library, which school has recommended. So this is a university library, we having multiple schools, and this is the subject of the book, this is the name of the teacher who recommended the book, this is the publisher, order date of that particular book, delivery days after the order, within how many days you got the book, year of publication of the book, mode of purchase, whether it is purchased through a vendor or a gift or direct from the publisher, then what type of a book it is, and then who is the supplier, and original price is 630 here, and you are being allowed around 22% discount, so the final price is this, which quarter of the month it was published, quarter of the year it was published, and then age of the title means publishing year, or current day year minus publishing year, that is the age. So we can easily identify whether the library has procured latest books or not. Okay, so that is the idea. So this data I am trying to share with you. Then I have converted this data into a visualization, which you can see here. Can you see here something? It is actually, I just wrote it as College of Arts and Science Tiruvandhuram. So basically this data is generated by GPT only. Okay, and here you can see these are the subjects on which the books are
जी
purchased. So if I wanted to know how many books are purchased in optics, I just
हाँ
need to
भट्टी
select
है
only the optics. You can see that the data, the total number is 4,677. Out of it
सर
says
मैं कल चेक करके आपको
127
बता
books
दूंगा
are on
नंबर
the topic optics, and amount is this much.
ठीक है सर
And this
तो
is the average cost
कल
of a
कर
book,
लेंगे
and this is 17% of discount. Okay, like that it goes. And who the recommended by whom.
जी
So I can reset the visualization and I select a particular recommended person.
अच्छा
So I'm
टाइटल
just
अलग
selecting a
लगेगा
particular person, Arjun Pillai, and you can see he has recommended
इतना बढ़िया सर
158
क्योंकि हम
books.
सिमिलर ही
So this
मतलब
is what is a
सेट ऑफ
visualization. You
क्वेश्चन
can see
चाहते
here
हैं
again,
तो
after
सिमिलर
resetting,
टाइटल ही
I will just
उसमें
make it. You can
करेंगे
see here there is a reset button. So when I reset it, you can click here and select a particular school. When I select a particular school, you can see here the data changes to
जी
suit that.
सर
So
नो
see,
प्रॉब्लम
for
कल
that
देख
particular
लेंगे सर
school,
आप
550
भेज
books are
दीजिए
there.
मुझे आप
So basically, when
हाँ
the principal or vice chancellor of a university asks
नहीं वो
questions
तो
to you
ठीक है
about
उधर सेम है
the
एज यूजुअल
expenditure on your the budget amount, you can
नो
easily
प्रॉब्लम सर
answer
कल
many
कल कर
questions
लेंगे
easily. And what I did
श्योर
is,
श्योर
when
सर श्योर
there were several questions, I made a visualization like this and
हाँ
then
सर
shared with him over a link. So he
नहीं
never
आई
later
टेक
on
इट
asked
दैट्स
me questions because everything is available in the
जी
form of a visualization. Okay, so this is it. You can see here, I will
श्योर
reset again. You can see the other visualizations.
ओके ओके
Textbook, how many text? It's in dark blue.
श्योर
The moment I click here, and their data changes to suit that selection. You can see how many textbooks are there. 1,667 are textbooks. So that's it. So here again you can select this one, so that it is green is handbook. There are around 658 handbooks have been purchased. So that simple it is. Okay. So this is the visualization which we are trying to make, and we are going to learn the method of doing it. Okay, so here the software that we are going to learn is called Google Looker Studio. Okay, Looker Studio is a business intelligence software, or I should say, rather than business intelligence, I can say that it is a data visualization tool. There are several other data visualization tools like the Power BI, Tableau. These are some of the major tools that are available in the market. Even our Excel can be used for creating such visualization. I think I have made a visualization here using, let me check. No, it's not there. In another one, I have made it. Okay, I will show you that. So even Excel also can be used for making such the same type of visualization. Okay, so I am trying to share this particular data with you. You can just log into a website. I will share that website address in the chat box. You can just download, go to that website. It's my personal website. Go open, or I will just go to that and then give the exact address itself. Yeah, it's my personal website in which there is a page by sample files. Yeah, here you can see book procurement data. When you click it, you will get an Excel, a zip file. Copy. Yeah, actually, I'm showing you the exact page. Sample hyphen files. You click open it, then you will get this page. And here, when you click, you will get the books procurement data. When you click, you will get a zip file downloaded. Please download it and tell me you have done it. Just say three or four people. When they say it, I will understand that you have done it. Just say yes or done, then I will understand. I'll wait for only 2 to 3 responses. One, yeah, two, three, one more. That means it's easy. You are getting it. Now what you can do is open that zip file. When you open the zip file, I will just show you on the screen. You can see I'm opening the zip file. Double click and open the file. Then you will get the data here. Final data. You can copy from here and paste it on your desktop. From the zip file, you can right click and copy it and take it to the desktop. Keep it there. That's all you need to do. Hope everyone got the data. It is Excel data only. Okay. Now the step is actually this data you have to take to your Google Drive. I presume that all of you have a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, you can go to your Google Drive. So I'm just clicking here. When you click these 9 dots, you will get the Google Drive. Open it. I have multiple accounts, so I will try to open the exact account where I would like to upload it. So here you can see I have uploaded it already. It is here. The zip file is here. But what I will do is I will upload it as a Excel file itself. You have to do the same thing. Upload it as an Excel file itself, not a zip file. Go to this file upload and upload that Excel file, final data of book purchase. You upload it. So you can see that I have uploaded it. You can see here. It should look like this. Final data of book purchase XLSX. Like this, it should be there. If you have done this much, tell me. Done or thumbs up, whatever is okay. Yeah. So Prasanna Kumara is from BLD, you know. Okay. Very good. Very good. So the data is there with you. If you click in the recent button also, you can see that the data is there, or you can go to the home button and usually it will be there on the top. Anyway, I have the data with me, and what I am going to do is I will just open it. By double clicking, I can open it. Yeah, this way it should be available to you. Just say yes or no. When you open it, it should show like this, and here this xls will be there, which means it is an Excel file. Say yes. Anybody finding it difficult, just tell me, I can manage it. Okay, help you. So if you have got this Excel file, now we have to convert this into a Google Sheet. Google Sheet is equivalent to Excel file, but slight differences are there. So it is actually a file within the Google Drive. How to change it? Go to File menu. Here is the option, Save as Google Sheets. Save as, when you click on it, it will get converted into a Google Sheet. I have done it, and here the XLSX will be missing, which indicates it is an Google Sheet. So I have done it. Yes, but many people are not responding. Unless you say that, I will not come to know. So please respond. Okay. Yeah, enough. Thank you. So you have got the data in Google Sheet form. That's enough. So you can close all those things. Even your Google Drive, you can close. Everything you can close and start a new browser. Just open a new browser, and in the Google, you can just search for Looker Studio, Looker Studio, and press enter key. You will get this and click open it. And use the same email ID where you have uploaded the data. Otherwise, it will be difficult.
So, sir, for this Looker Studio, sir, we need to register it with our email ID, or sir, we'll have to create a new account, sir.
No, no, there is no need of registration because already you are in, your browser is registered in Gmail. Understood? Your browser surely must have got registered in Gmail. So when you type it, you are actually logging into your account. So no need of registration for, because it is again a Google facility. Try that. If you are not getting this type of an interface, tell me. These files won't be there, but all these things will be there. Here you can find that your email ID is the same email ID where you have uploaded the file. That's all. Anybody finding it difficult, just tell me, or at least say yes, you have reached this level. Yes, that 4 or 5 people have told that they got it. Good. So that anybody finding it some difficulty, just tell me. Otherwise, in the last minute, don't say that. How to go to the Looker? My God. See, just go to the Google, open this and type Looker Studio here in Google. Looker Studio. That's all you need to do, and then open with this. With the, when you open it, it is Looker Studio. Could you do it, Sriranga? Okay, great. Anybody still finding it difficult means you tell me. Yeah. So this, I told you it's a practical session. You are working along. It's a very simple thing. But if you learn it, It's a wonderful skill. Just like we use MS Word for formatting our thesis, no, or an article. Same way, it will help you in your career, especially for librarians. Okay, so you are here, and now we are going to create the what is that book purchase dashboard which we have created earlier. So what we will do is, here there is a create button. When you click it, there are three options: report, data source, explorer. Data source, anyway, we have our data in our Google Drive. Explorer is a beta version facility of this. These two things just now we are not going to touch. We are going to create a report just now. For the time being, we are going for a report. The same thing is available here also. When you click here, a blank report option is coming up. These are actually templates of various types of reports. For example, you can see Google Analytics. GA means Google Analytics. Okay. And this is Acme Marketing. This is Search Console report. For example, Google Search Console. And what type of search people are doing. Okay. Like that, you can. And Google Ads, advertisements in Google. YouTube channel. So many of us upload the videos into YouTube, and then we wait for comments and likes. So all those data will come here. So these are some of the templates available here. Okay, these are the files that I have created. These are the files which I have created. So we are going to start with the visualization. So are you ready with me? Just tell me, let me know whether you are ready. Saurabh,
Ready. Ready.
your voice is giving some noise only. Saurabh, would you like to ask me? You can put a message over there. Divya Kumari, would you like to ask me something? If you are ready, Saurabh, do you have anything to ask me? Okay, so no response. I will go back. Here, we are going to create a blank report. In my case, it will not ask any questions because I have been using it for quite long. Okay. In your case, there are issues. Some 3 to 4 questions you have to answer. But you click on that blank report, or here also. This also you can use. Both give the same result. Click on it. Then it will ask 2 questions. First question, what is your company? Sorry, which country you belong to? I need not give you an answer for that. You know the answer. Below, there is another question. What is the company name? You say your name only. Just give your name. That's enough. Then below there is a proceed button or continue button will be there. I don't remember whether it is proceed or continue. Just click on that. So you will be taken to another page. Sometimes finding that button will be little difficult. You adjust your visibility by using control and middle mouse button. Then you will easily find it like this. If you arrange it, no, you will get it. In the second page, there are 4 questions. You can say yes to all, and when you proceed, you will get something like this. I'm just going to show you something which you will also get. Yeah, something like this will come up. You can see on the screen, this is what you are going to get. Let me know if you are getting it. Yeah, good. Yes. 2 people have told. Anybody finding it? So only problem is visibility. That if you adjust your mouse, that what is that percentage of visibility, no, you will get that button. Nobody's. Only 3 people have responded. What about others? See, if you don't do it, you will not learn it. That's why I'm asking whether you got it or not. Say yes, please. 5 people, 6 people have told. Somebody is finding it difficult, crying. Maybe because that finding that is difficult. Okay. Message me if you are finding it difficult. I can help you. Otherwise, if you are have done this much, you are in line with me. Okay. So I'm giving enough time, presuming that all have got this interface. Okay. Here you can see the data sources. First is Google connectors with the data. You can see 24 items are Google data connectors. You can see here all our data facilities from Google. First you can see Looker Studio data, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets. This is what we are going to use. But here you can see Microsoft Excel and CSV were there, but we never used it because some font problems exist. When you use no font, certain fonts which is not accepting, so I avoided it. AppSheet, BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, all these things are the free sources from where you can collect the data. Okay, and below that, see YouTube analytics. So if you have some data in along with your YouTube video, you can bring it over here. Below that, you can see 1,300 daily. This number is increasing. 1,336 agencies are providing data. You can see Facebook ads. Okay, so there are several here. Also, there is another Facebook, Snowflake. Many agencies, people are starting startup companies to collect this data and sell. It is called a digital marketing. Digital market. That is why after clicking on something in Facebook, you will get continuously the same advertisement in your Facebook. And when you go in front of Bata showroom, you will get a message saying that, sir, come in. We have got new items. Come and purchase. It's all because of digital marketing, and the agency could do it only because of collecting this data. By collecting this data, they are able to do this. Okay, so I hope all of you are here ready with the data and the facility. And here is Google Sheets, and your account should be in the same email ID. And when you click in the Google Sheets, I get the final data of book purchase over here. Select, simply click on it. So it will say it has 4 pages, and we are going to use the first page. Okay, and here the user first row as header, include hidden and filtered cells. These should be tick marked, and you can simply click on add. In your case, it may ask a question: do you authorize this? You say yes only. If you don't authorize, it will not allow. Are you getting it? Something like this. You will be brought like to a page like this. If you are not getting, just tell me. Here it says the data, all the first line of the data, all these things are there. If you are getting this, say yes. You are ready. Respond, please. Yeah. 2. Nothing wrong in if you are not getting in. It's technical problems will be there. You can just tell me. I can help you. Only 2 people have responded. If you are getting an interface like this, you are ready. Only thing is you have to say authorize in between. That's all. Nobody is responding. Only 2 people have told that they got it. Please respond. My God, what happened?
Sir, could you please repeat it, sir?
Yeah. I'm opening again Looker Studio. I'm going to the same account where I have uploaded my data. And what I did is, see the one that I have just created, I am deleting. Yeah, here is the create button, or here is the blank report. Click on any one of them. So I will just click on this. Then in your case, it will ask initially which is your country and what is your name. When you click on the proceed, it may ask again 4 questions. You have to say yes to all. That's all. When you click proceed, it may ask whether that the list of all files that in your Google Drive will be shown. So I'm just clicking on Google Sheets. This is the file that I'm searching for. I'm selecting it. These two tick marks should be there. And when I click on add, in my case, it will not ask authorization and all. Because you people are using it for the first time, it may ask authorize. So you will be ready like this. It should be ready like this. So please respond to me saying that you have done it. Otherwise, I will not proceed. Yeah, yeah. There is no meaning in going proceeding further. So around 10 people have told that they got it. There are around 56 people listening to me. Only 10 have told that. Anybody finding it difficult, just tell me. Just now I have repeated. Ready to repeat one more time. Shall I presume that you all got? Yes. There is no time for me. I cannot complete the class if you don't respond. Anyway, that's okay. You can see here on the right hand side under data, you can see the same file name and all the first row of the I will show you that data. The names, these names, no, delivery date, school, subject, recommend, all these are listed in the here, but it is in alphabetical order. Remember that it is in only thing is it's very small.
Excuse me,
You
sir.
can, well,
Sir, Excel file is not opening. Can you please repeat this step, sir, to open the Excel file in the this
Google
um,
Sheet.
Google Studio, Looker Studio, sir?
I I didn't tell you to open the Excel file. Where I have told?
Sir, I am the on the stage of on just authorized the Google Sheet.
Ah, authorize it. That's all.
Okay.
Now I will repeat the entire thing. Just see what I am doing. Don't do anything. Just listen to me. So after authorization, what will happen? I will show you. When it comes like this, click on the Google Sheets. Sorry, I have to change the Google account. So when I click here, yeah, it will come and I am selecting Google Sheets. There comes the issue of authorizing. The first, this is the file, final data of book purchase. In your case also, it will be the first because whatever you uploaded late will be on the top.
Sir,
So select
this file is not coming in my screen, sir.
because you have not converted into Google Sheet.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. I was saying to repeat
You
it.
came late.
Yes, sir.
That is why. You see, what you have to do is in your Google Drive. I'll just show you. No, this is the problem. You have to be in time.
See,
Yeah,
those who
see
joined
here.
late, I will request sir not to repeat this. I will provide the video. They can
Video.
see
Okay.
later. Yeah, because your
Okay.
time is very precious.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Now here you can see that this is the data and the first sheet is there here, which is purchases, and you can click on the add button. Then the entire data will be what is that removed and it is shown in the pages so that you can use it for visualization. It depends on the connectivity also. You can see here it has come up the name of the file and all the variables are listed here, but it is in the alphabetical order. I'll make it bigger. You can see age of the title, A, B, C, D, E, F, M, N, O, P. You can see the alphabetical order. So whatever was the first row in that visualization is still there. I'll make it smaller. Okay, and here there is a sheet. Okay, what I will do is I will make it bigger, because this is a small sheet of paper. I wanted a bigger canvas in which I can build this. So how to change it? You also do the same thing. Click on theme and layout and select a color. So for the time being, I am asking you to select a black color. And then come to layout. In the layout, come down, and you can see the canvas size just now is 4:3. You change it as 2000. The moment you change that data, the color, you can see 2000 in, oh my god, 2000 into 2400. Height is 2400, like this. So you will get a sheet which is little more bigger than what you have seen earlier. Here is what we are going to create the visualization. Okay, so we have used the theme where the color is black, and then came to layout, and here you change the size as width is 2000 pixel and height is 2400 pixel, and you got a sheet where you are going to create the visualization. Here there are two options actually. Okay, you can see here free form layout and responsive layout. Actually we are going to use free form layout so that you will have the freedom of doing it. Okay, so that's it. And I can make, actually, if you want, no, you can click on fit like this, or fit in width. All these options are available. So anyway, we are going to create the visualization. So everyone got this much? Please let me know. At least 4 people say yes. Good. Very good. So you are there. Now we are going to have the first visualization. And in the case of a library, what is actually denoting our performance? Whether you have utilized the entire amount, how many books you have purchased, how you have negotiated with the bookseller and brought down the, or brought up the discount rate. Okay, so all these things are showing up our performance. So in management, the performance is shown as key performance indicators, KPI, key performance indicators. So the first performance indicator in the case of a library is how many books you have purchased. So what I will do, I will come to click on add a chart. When you click here, all the charts that you can include in the visualization, you will get it over here, or here also it is there, insert, all sort of things are there. It is better to click here, and I am just clicking on it and going for a KPI, key performance indicator. So there are 3 options. Out of that, I am clicking on the first one and dragging it like this. You can also do the same thing. If you are getting something like this with a number 4677, you are in the right path. You should get something like this. But the numbers are very small. Say yes if you are getting it. Any difficulty? 1 person got it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. That means it is done. Okay. So if you are getting something like this, I can go for making it little more visible. It is very small only. Okay. And there on the top it says record count. What does it mean? Record count means here you can see that in this Excel sheet, each row is considered as a record because it is about a book. So how many are there? 4,677 records are there. So it has counted how many rows, and here it says record count and 4,600. So when you create the data, it should be in this way only. These numbers in such a visualization is called as metric means measurement only. Now I am going to make it bigger, and here what I will do is in the setup, here there is, you can see in the chart type, setup is there, style is there. So initially I will go for the setup and slowly come down, and it says metric. Just below the metric it says record count. So here in this pencil I will click, and here I will say what? Total number of books. Okay, or you can total number of total books purchased, whatever it is. So this it means what exactly it, when you type there, you can see it has come over there. On the top it is total, but we have to make it bigger. So just follow me properly. So setup, it is over. What I did, I just clicked on this and changed the name like this. And in the style, what you have to do is slowly come down. Decimal precision, there are no decimal numbers. Missing data, no issues are there, but label is shown as 28 pixel only. Click here and say it is almost 48. It has become visible. For the items are bigger, you can still say that I need maybe around 60. Yeah, it is becoming more visible. Font color, I am happy with the white color. So you can see field name, when you click in the alignment, it will come to the middle. Field value, when you click it, it will come in the middle. And there is something more, a comparison, that we will do little later. So this much you do, and then come down slowly, and here there is something called a background. There I am just going for dark black background, and its border color, I will say white color, with the border weight as 5 pixel. So I did it. I'm just keeping it over here. Please try to do this. I am ready to repeat. Hope
Sir,
everyone.
please repeat scorecard properties, sir.
Yeah. So what I did is I have gone to chart. I selected a scorecard like this. I drew it over here just like this. And in the setup, I came to metric, and here I clicked and said total books purchased. Okay, I typed it and it has come over there. Okay, clicked here, and then coming to the style, here slowly coming down. Decimal, no issues. Missing data is not there. Font size, it is 28 pixel. I just told that it is not enough. It should be some 60 so that it becomes visible. White color, I am happy with that white color. And in the field name, I am saying alignment should be in the middle. Field value should be, so both are coming to the middle. And one more thing is, that is comparison. I will just click the central alignment, and then coming down here I will select dark black, and also the border for that is white in color. You can change it into a orange color also, nothing wrong in it. And then 5, you can see that I have done my created my first visualization. Do it. Okay, now I wanted to show you the amount spent on each book. Sorry, amount totally spent on the books. Okay, so in the data, if you see, for each book the final amount is there. This is the final price. What I need to do is add all the final price together. Correct, no? So I will come here I wanted to make a similar visualization. Okay, so what I will do is I will make a copy of this. Simply, you can also do it in the same way, but what I am doing is I am just making a control D. By pressing control D, I am getting a copy of it. Here I am keeping, and then coming to the setup, here I am saying it is metric only, but I will say not total books purchased, it is total amount spent. So the new visualization will be the same. Okay, and it is not a number, it is going to be a currency, but still we have not brought the number. Exact number is actually what you have to do is, here you can see in the metric, here it says total amount spent. The name has been brought, but the metric is actually the final price. So you have to bring that here, drag and drop it over here. So you can see the amount now. Okay, and then again change the name. What is that? Total amount spent. I will repeat it, don't worry. Total amount spent. This is how you have to do it. I'm just deleting it again, and to show you what you have to do is make a copy of this by pressing Control D, bring it over here, and then what we have to change is total books purchased should be total amount spent. Okay, so what you can do is from here identify the final price. From here drag and drop it over here. This is one way of doing it. Or when you click here, you will get all of them, and here is the final price. So but what we need is, it is not final price, it is the total amount spent. So click here and say total amount spent. And then what we have to say is, it is not a number, but it is a currency, Indian rupee. Okay, that's so it has shown that Indian rupee symbol, but here there is a, what is that, decimal points are there. That we will come to the style. There you can say decimal points are not auto, but 0. So it is gone. Then the label is 60 happy. This also is happy. Alignments are happy. Everything is similar to that. So if you are getting this, you are done with. Have you done it? Say yes, please. Say yes, please. Nobody is responding. One. I don't think it is a big issue. 2 people have responded. 3, 4, one more. Anybody finding it difficult? Because see, once you do it, no, it is the one and the same for all. That's why. So just ask me. I will help you. Okay. So now we know the total number of books purchased and the total amount spent. I wanted to show what is the average cost of a book. So how we can do it? Simply make a copy of this. Control D, bring it over here. Okay. Now come to this area, click here and say it is average cost of a book. Okay, and here it is currency only, and in the aggregation it is sum it says, but you say I don't want sum, I want average. That's all you need to do. You will get the average cost of a book. It will be 4,380. Or if you are getting it, you are in the right path. Tell me, please. Anybody else? Okay, good. Now I am giving you an assignment. Please let me know the median year of publication. Median year, because we wanted to know the median year of publication. Just do it on your own. Year of publication is already there. It's not average. What I need is median year of publication. How to do it? Again, it is the same way only. Make a copy of this, keep it below down like this, and then here you have to say, click here, say median year of publication. Sorry, before that you have to bring in the metric. Anyway, here year of publication. I will say this you have to change by what? Year of publication. Last. That's it. And then the name should be median year of publication. Nothing more you have to do. You can see is saying median. So here you have to say not the count distinct, but it is the median. Then it will be 2012. If you are getting the answer 2012, you are right. You want me to repeat? I am ready to repeat. Next is I wanted to know the average discount allowed. Please do it and let me know. Discount is there. The fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Discount is there. Just wanted to know what is the average discount. I will not do it. You have to tell me. Those who have done it, no, just message me. Average discount allowed. Any answers? Average discount allowed. What is the answer? My God, nobody is responding now. If you are getting 15, that's the correct answer. Average discount allowed is there. Okay, good. Anybody else? I'm going not going quickly. I'm going very slowly only because fundamentals, if you know, you can make actually you can do it in a better way. These are the fundamentals that I am teaching you. Please do it and let me know. Then I can help you. If you don't respond, no, it is difficult. If you want me to repeat, I am ready to repeat. Anyway, so this is average discount allowed. And next is the final thing is sixth one is the number of days we have told that for delivery, average days for delivery. This is what I want. You can make a copy of this, keep it over here, just below this, like this. And then here you have to say days for delivery. Delivery days is there. So click here and select delivery days. And here in the sum you say average. Click here and say average. And in the name you can say average days for delivery. That's it. So it will be showing as 23. That's it. So I have arranged everything properly in this sheet. If you want, you can bring in a picture just behind this. All these possibilities are there. I'll show you that. But please respond. This much have you done? Okay, only one person has told. What about others? Two, three. It's very simple that way. Very simple. Okay. Okay. So five people have told, six. Good. Good. Okay. So now we have completed the visualization of the KPIs or scorecards. Key performance indicators of my university library is already done. Now, when I click on this view button on the top, it will be like this. But this is not interactive. Just now we have not made it interactive. How to make it interactive? That's what I am going to show you. I wanted to select a school and change the things. So here in the control, add a control. Click the first option, drop down list. Drag it like this. Simply just see what I am doing. Drag like this. In that you can give the same features. Here it says school, so we are going to make school itself. Okay, and then here I will say its name. I will, if you want, you can change it here itself. You can click and say school selected the book. It's very small only, but we will make it big by going to the style. We will say the font is okay, drop down list is there, font color is okay, white, but it's a button text size is 14 only. I will say it should be something around 30. Yeah, it is visible much. Okay, I will say it's not little more, 36. Yeah, it has become inside. When you click, no, there is a list of schools that also should be bigger. So list text size, you can just say that also is 36. So when I click here, the school name will be bigger. That's it. So we have added that also. And then I will go for the color of the background. I will make it this, and even the outside border will be like this, and I will make its thickness 5. Same way. Now when I view it, it will be like this. And what I will do, I will select a particular school. I will say unselect all these things and I will select a particular school. You can see that that particular school has selected 1330 books. That's it. Okay, just try to do it, please. You want me to repeat? I'm ready to repeat. That's a different thing. Do it, please. Please respond. Yeah. What happened, Jyoti? You are surprised? Anything difficulty means let me know. I will repeat it. Okay. In this report, sorry, in this control, you can see right here, it is again saying record count. This is unnecessary. So what you can do is in the setup, when you come here in the metric, this is listed here, record count. Here there is an undo mark. When you click on it, it will get deleted and this number will go. It's not there now. It's good idea. Don't need it because already the number is there, no? So when you click it, it will be just this list only. Deselect and select a particular school. You will get the exact number. That's it. Yeah, good. Okay, so we have completed one control we have added. We can go for date control also. Okay, it is also possible to have that date control. So I will try to add a date control. So I will just keep it to the this side. Here I will have the date control. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to add a control. I will say date range control. I'm just selecting this and dragging up something like this, almost the same way. It should look nice. That's why I'm just keeping the same size, everything proper. Okay, so I'm just selecting it and I will go for the style. I will say I need black background and also the same border with the white color, sorry, orange color and 5 pixel. And also the text should be visible. So font color white I am happy with. So I will say that it should be something like 36 will be okay. Yes. So now it looks the same. Now when I click on the view button, so here is the date range. I can select a particular year. So out of this I will select 2023 January 1st, and here I will say 2023 December 31st. And when I click apply, I will get the exact number of this, and here you can see a downward trend. I will show you that how I have done this. From the previous year 2022, it is downward. This year we have purchased less number of books. That is the number. Okay, so that's it. Just do this, please, these two, and let me know. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Just do it. If you don't respond, I will never come to know you learned it. Others are not responding, please. Okay. So we have done a wonderful visualization of these things. Okay, and if you want to arrange these also, there are wonderful mechanisms. Okay, for example, if you are selecting something like this, no, you are actually selecting and then or select it, click shift one, press shift key and select the other. So these three I have selected. These three, 1, 2, and 3 I have selected. And if you want to arrange them properly, that is also possible. I think, oh my god, some wrong selection has happened. Click here, click this one, press shift key and select those things. Okay, I selected 3 and I wanted to arrange them properly. Okay, so here when you right click, it will say align horizontally left. You can see that all the items will be aligned towards the left side. Similarly, click here, one, shift, select this, right click, align horizontally to the right. So it will come to the right. So already it is there. Okay, so that way. So it will be properly arranged. Now, as we have done this much, Here I have told you that there is something, this visualization is like this. So how we will show it in this, just see what I am doing, that comparison value. Select this, come to the setup, slowly come down here, then comes the comparison date range is there. You make it open, click open. Okay, and then say in this none, you click here and come to this and say previous period, previous period, apply. Okay, all of a sudden the change happens here. So naturally it will be less the amount you have spent. You can see it is mine below, it is going downwards. If it is a green color, it is, or upward means it will be in green color. Okay, average cost of the book, we will again do it. Click on this comparison date range. In this you say previous period and then apply. So the average cost of the book is actually increasing. And in this list, it should be period. Comparison type is period. So in this case, it is 0. Here it is average discount allowed. Let us see comparison period is this. Click here, go to this previous period, apply. Yes, that also is increasing little bit here also. So all the comparison with the previous period is shown there. It is here, it is 2023 from January 1 to December. So actually the comparison is done with 2022 January to December. See, average days for delivery actually has come down. Are you getting this? If you have done this much, good, you have done a wonderful job. That's what I can say. Now we will, shall I proceed? Any or maybe you are doing it. I will give you 2 minutes. Since I am not getting your responses, I am not able to. Yeah, any doubts, just ask me. I am ready to repeat. It's not a big thing for me. But unless you ask me, I will never come to know. Okay. So since that is done, anyway, just go through the recordings if you are getting it. Now here I wanted to have a line over there. Simply just to show you that it is possible. So click on the line and draw the line. Okay, select it, click on the line and come here. From here to here, you drag it. Like this. You have to have control. Simply, I'm just trying to show that it is possible. I drew a line and below this, I wanted to show school-wise purchase of books on school, and it should be in a table or a graph. Okay, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So here I am going to have a table. So click on that. So in this case, actually the total number of books is there. We know that it is 4,677 and it is a metric, a measurement. But here we are going to divide it into 5 schools. So the concept school is called as a dimension. 4,677 is metric, and the metric is divided into 5 schools. So let us show that. So click here in the add a chart option and go for a table. I am going to the second table and then dragging it here. Something like this. Let us see what happens. It is bringing some data, school-wise year of publication. It doesn't mean anything. So here you can see in the dimension, it says it is school only, correct? But whereas in the metric, it says year of publication. So what we have to have is the total record count. So click, drag and drop the record count over here. Okay, just like that. So it will show you the exact number. You can see now exact number of books have been brought. Each school has a different number. Okay, so I have just drew the table. Only thing is I wanted to make it bigger. So again, as we did earlier, so this setup we have done everything. Come to the style. Here you can say come down slowly. The font is Arial. I'm happy with that. But the font size, I'm not happy. I will say it should be something like 30. Yes, you can see here it says school. And what is this actually? It is not record account, but what it is, number of books. So come back again. Here you say in the record account, you change the name as number of books. You can see that it has changed. Number of books. Okay. You can even put a word purchased, number of books purchased. Anyway, I'm happy with that. And then in the style we have changed this. Come down slowly. White color I will change it as orange color. Okay, so you can see on the top. Now come down and then table labels. So again it is 12 only. I will say no, I wanted something like 32. Yes, you can see that it has become bigger. 32. And here there is a graph. Okay, heat graphs or something like that you can see. And the table colors, it's okay. I will come down and slowly I will say I want the dimension is there and its numbers. If it is shown, no, I will be happy. Here itself the number is also there, means I'm very happy. Let me check whether I can do it or not. So the metric color is here. You can see it is bar and it is color is shown as blue. Let me try something different. Heat map. You can see it is heat map along with the number. It has come up with the number 422. So the density of that color increased based on the number. You can see here. So it's called heat map. If you want only the bar, that is also possible. Click here and say only the number, means it will show only the number. When you want a heat map, it will show a heat map. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, I have done with that, and you can see here only thing is I need a border and the background color. So I will say I need a background color. Here, come down slowly. Yeah, background color I will say dark black. Border color is as usual, and the orange color, and thickness 5. So just do it. You can see that it has come up well. Only thing is this numbers are very close to the border. Let me try whether I can bring it to the middle little bit. Table footer, dimension, metric, compact numbers. Yeah, not compact numbers. I want, no, it's not possible. Compact number means it will say for 3000 it will say 3K. See, it will just show as 3K. 2000 will be 2K. That's it. It's not possible to bring this little ahead. I couldn't find it. Let me see. Yes, here there is metric, and this when I clicked on it, it is bringing in. Wonderful. You can see that it has come up very well. Now I can just click on the view button. See this visualization. It has come up with a lot of ideas. Understood? This is showing up for 1 year only. Now when I click for, or when I reset it, you can see that the things, the numbers have changed a lot. This is it. Understood? So try please and let me know. So we have made only a table now. There are two graphs are there. All we will make. Please just respond. I'm ready to repeat it. No, unless you ask, I will not. Tell me if you have completed. Nobody, no hands, thumbs up. Okay, one has come. I'm ready to repeat. Please let me know. What? Two people have done it. Should I repeat? Okay. Uh, Now what I will do is I will show you another visualization. Type of books purchased in the form of a pie chart. I'm still waiting for responses. Only two or three have come. Why don't you tell? Okay, I cannot wait. So now what I will do is I will go for a pie chart depicting the type of books purchased in the library. So I'll just drag it like this. So the size and all, no, it should look alike. That will that's part of creativity. I cannot help in that. I can just show you only that much. So here it is schools and the number of books. That's not I want. I wanted what? The type of book. So come to the setup. So the diamond should be what? Not school, but it is type of book. So click here and select the type of book. Yes, I have done it. And here you can say the name is type of book. Okay. And then come down here, it is metric is delivery days. Yeah, not delivery days. I will say that the type of books and the record count. I wanted the exact number of books purchased in each group. It's very small only. When I make it bigger, you will understand it. So come to the style. So you wanted 10 slides. So it is only 2, 4, only 5 are there. It's okay. Now slice padding means the line in between this. That is the padding. You can avoid it or you can increase it this way. So it is better to keep it like this. Or what you can do is you can convert it into a, what is that? It is called as what? I forgot the name. It is called as a donut chart. Donut chart. Okay. So here, what we can do is we can increase the size and all. And also, if you want, you can go for a single color also. I think this looks better. And come to the style option, and then here we have changed the color. Label color is okay, but its font size is now auto. I will say no. I want it little bigger. I will say 28. Yes, but it is percentages are shown. I actually wanted the number. So click here and say value. You can see the values are there, and come down. The legend is here, and it says legend is aligned middle, and its font is okay. And font size, I will say I wanted something like 28. Yes, it looks good. And go to the background. Say it is dark black, and I wanted the border color to be orange in color with the 5 pixel strength. 5 pixel strength. Done. Okay, so that's it. Now when I view it, this is how it looks like. Try doing it, please. So these are all actually interactive visuals. Okay. No responses. Only, yeah, two people have told it's they could do it. Okay. So since people have done it, and see, this is actually it is creative thing. Okay, so it should look nice. When I show this, no, you can understand how easily you can make one. See this visualization, how nice it is. The moment you select a particular school, no, things will change, and it's a wonderful tool. Okay, even for your PhD also, you can, if your data is there, you can show it like this. So make use of it. Okay, see, that's it. Now this can be converted into a web page also. I will show you that. Okay, now one or two more visualization we will make, and then we will go ahead with how to take it to through a website and all. Okay, now I wanted to give some titles for this. Okay, so let me check how I can do it. Yes, these are done, and here I wanted to write school wise procurement of books. So for that, here is the option. There is a text box. Click on that and click here, drag it, something like this. Okay, and there you type school wise purchase of books. Okay, it's very small. So what you will do, control A, select all and come to this side. The font is 14. You can increase. You can see that it is increasing up. Very good. And then you can say, I want a different font this time. You can select a different font. Yeah. And also you can say, I want a different color. I will go for orange. It looks different. This is it. School wise procurement of books. Make a copy of this. Okay, control C, control V, and carry it to this side. Make it smaller. Yeah, keep it over here and say this is type of book wise. Type of book. TYPE, type of book wise. Purchase of books. Type of book wise. That is enough. It means that visualization is based on type of book wise. So this way you have to make it a meaningful visualization. Okay, so by clicking on it, people will easily understand it. So this, if you want to make it in a same line, what you can do is click this and select this also together. Select it, right click, and go to the order, not order, align horizontally to the center. No, wrong. Align vertically to the center. Correct. Vertically to the middle. Yeah, you can see that both are in the same line. So this way, the beautification can be done properly. Okay, so this is it. One more visualization we will make here. It can be a graph. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the graph. So yeah, here add a chart. I will go for a bar chart, bar graph in a way, and here I will say what I can do it. I will go for the, so this idea, making the idea for what sort of visualization is required. No, you have to think in advance so that the process will be very quick. So now I am thinking what I should make. That should not happen. You have to list out what are all the visualization which is good for showing up to the vice chancellor and all. No, so just think in advance. So after seeing it, they may say, you why don't you show this also, something like that. They may say, that time you can change it. So here I have a visualization of a graph where what are all the variables required. I can go to the setup, and here it is type of book. No, I don't want type of book. So from here I will say delivery date, discount, final price. Anyway, I need a price. So I will say not discount, record count I want the final price. So I will click here and I will say final price. And but it should be okay, school wise spending, I can say. So here it is not type of book I wanted the school I will select. Then you can see that each school how much of money they have spent. Now after that you can just bring it over like this. You can see the names of schools are there. Final price we will change it as total amount spent. So I will click here and say total amount spent. Okay, and what you need is the same thing. No changes are required here. One is this number will change it as a currency. Better to show that as a currency. That's it. Done. Now what I need is I wanted to make these fonts and all very big. So click here in the title and then come down. Bars are 10 maximum allowed. That's okay. Show data labels. So here the data labels will be shown. You can click it on so that you can see the amount is there. Okay. And then decimal precision, you say 0. You don't want decimals. Arial is a font. I will just change it to make it a little more bulkier. And its font size, I will say I need something like 30. Yes, you can see now it's very much visible. I will say the color can be dark black, but it is not being changed. I don't know why. I will say another color. No, it's not changing. Let it be white only. Okay, and then yeah, it's there. Now I will go for changing this. Okay, so come down. This is axis. The font size for the axis is 12. I will increase it. You can see that the lower numbers are these are growing. Okay, font, that is okay, but it is compact numbers. Okay, that is okay. And come down, and this is for the next axis, y axis. There also you can increase the font. You can see the names of schools are increasing. So the size is increasing for the names of schools. Yes, it's becoming bigger. You can still make it little towards this side so that the full name is shown. I don't know why it is not showing up. I'll make it smaller. Some issue is there. I've given enough space, still it is not showing up. But anyway, there are tooltips. Yeah, now it is showing. There are tooltips. The moment you take your cursor to that, it is actually showing up. And this legend I wanted to make bigger. So let me check whether it is possible. Yes, legend is here. It is on the top. But font size is auto. So slowly you have to check everything and then make it possible. Yeah, it is 30 is huge number. So I will just say 18. Yes, 18 also is not that 24. Done. Now what I can do is the same thing whatever you have done for your aerial visualization. You can go to the down and then you can say border color. Sorry, not border color. Border color is still orange only with the 5 pixel strength, and then the background color is dark black. You can see that I have done it. So school wise amount spent. Okay, when I click on this, it is ready with the visualization. You can see here all the visualizations are ready and 2 controls I have added. Okay, this anyway you do it later. Okay, on your own, you just try it. I will show you how to add more pages as well as how to share it. Now it's not ending with it. This data you can still use. I have shared the data with you. Into this, if you want, you can add a picture. Let me try that picture. Click here. This is the option for uploading the picture. Let me check whether there is a picture over there. Yes, I think this is the picture. Let me, yeah, this is the picture. Open. So the picture has come here. This is the one. I can keep it over here. It should be of the same pixel size that you can make in Canva. This I made it in Canva. Right click So no, what you can do, you can just drag it over this picture slowly like this, slowly this, so it covers totally. I Okay, it's not of the same size, slight difference is there. Okay, but I managed. Now the pictures are below this, so what you have to do, right click, order, send to back, that's it. So I could make it, and you can see now the visualization, how nice it has come out. Understood? This is it. This is how you can make a visualization. Any questions? uh, this can be shared with in many ways. Okay, you can just download it by clicking on the share button. You will understand it. Okay, I'll make it bigger. You can see, get a report link. So I can just click on this, and it is from my university ID. So you won't be able to share, open it, because it may ask for a permission. If I have made it in my own account, it will not ask that question. Okay, so that's it. And if I want to embed it in a uh, what in a website, how to do it, I will show you here. I will check whether, yeah, report details, there is an option. Click on edit, click here, make a copy, refresh data, share. Yeah, here you can see there is an option called embed report. I'm just clicking on it. It is asking me to embed. This is the embed code, and it says it is 600 into 720. That you can change it as hours. What is that? 2000 into 2400. Simply let us see whether it allows or not. Little difficult, I am finding it. Okay, 2000. No, it's not allowing. Copy it. Yeah, here I can change. Sorry, 2400. No, 2000 into 2400. It has come up. So copy to clipboard. Now I am opening a Google Drive and creating a website. So I'm trying to create a website. New, and go to more sites. Okay, and here in this page I will say dashboard. That is the page name. And below this I am trying to embed that data. Embed code. The code is embedded here. Click on the next button, click on the insert button, it is ready. Looker Studio data is there. It says it is not allowing. I don't know what is that. Oh, your current account is this. So this is the problem, because I am having multiple accounts and it is not allowing. Okay, so if it is there, I could have done it. Anyway, when you publish it, it will come up here. This is the way to show it should be in the same account. Okay, then it is possible to visualize. Even since I have made it in my own university account, it is not allowing. Okay, this can be shared. And now to add a page, you can click on this add page option, so it will add on more page. You can see here. Now this is the second page, this is the first page. Okay, this is the second page. So here also you can add more visualizations, and then if you want to give a name for this, here is the possibility. You can just click on this and rename it. So I will say home page, and sorry, click rename home. You can name it based on the content, what type of visualization is there. No, you can say purchases, something like that. You can make it, and then click here, it is ready. When you click on the view button, you can see home is there, purchase is there. Home, purchase. And if you want, you can have your own links created. That is also possible. Click here and come down. You can say text box, click here, type here, say purchases. Control A, make it some 32. Yeah, it is there. Control A, select it, and here is the link option. So it is asking where to take. Click here and say next page. Okay, or say purchases page. That's all. Apply. So it has created a link. Now click on the view button, slowly come down. You can see the link is there. When you click here, it takes you to the next page. From here also you can create a link towards the first page. So this way you can create a navigation system within this visualization. Okay, so that's it. And these are the controls. There are several other controls possible. So when you can select one particular school so that the entire visualization changes. If you can select this and say I want it only of a particular year, you can select that year like this, and then 2023 December 31st, apply. So only for one school, this many years, what is the selection? That's it. So this way analysis is possible the way you want it. So if it is shared with somebody, the person also can analyze the data and get the information from this data. That's it. Okay, so it's a wonderful tool. Why I am saying this wonderful? All these facilities you have seen, these are all free. Google is giving it free of cost. Okay, maybe if you pay, they may give you more what is the visualization options and all. I do not know about that, but at present it is free and you can make use of it. And if you can attach to your university library or college library website, no, it will help you a lot. And this will actually help people understand that the librarian knows certain things. Okay, mainly in a university setup or college setup, people will not give the deserving value for a librarian, basically because you people won't show up your capacity, what all you can do. These are some of the tricks with which you can basically do some sort of what is that, marketing yourself. So use it, even you can help somebody. All those things are possible. Okay, so that's it. I think I have covered it. Hope you understood it. And I will share my number anytime. You can just contact me, 91588 35495. I'm ready to help you. It is there, the number, you can just note down. And also I'll give you my email ID. Somebody, Jodi, is saying it is little. Never, never. See, this is the problem with librarians. All of a sudden, you are saying some hard work. What hard work was there? Within 90 minutes, we learned it. Understood? It's not a hard work. Sit for that. See, if you can do that, that actually it will help you in marketing yourself. And yeah, number I will share, 91588 35495, and my email is libgopan@gmail.com. Contact me anytime. You can contact me. I'm ready to help you. Libgopan, libgopan@gmail.com. Thank you, Dr. Tripathi. It was nice.
Sir,
Uh,
thank you. We must thank you for your valuable time and also just throwing lights on the different aspects of Google Looker Studio. In fact, many participants might have experienced little difficult in operating this, but what I understood from all your discussion and everything, that if we use this tool in our academia, we can do a wonder. Especially in the library, there is much scope because we do lot of purchasing in library, we do lot of means things in library. So using making the data and using the data with Google Looker Studio, we can bring the dashboard in a different way, in a very attractive way, and we can showcase it to our authority, or we can demonstrate it to the users while having the information literacy session or any time.
yeah.
So, and especially for the research scholars, it is going to be really wonderful tool because they can use it as a means presentation tool for their data, visualization tool for their data. And really, sir, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for accepting
Yeah,
the invitation.
one
Yeah, sir,
second. There
please,
was a
please.
message that somebody didn't understand why median was used, median year of publication. Basically, because see, average year is not a meaningful aspect in the case of publication, because we are buying so many number of books, and adding all the numbers together and dividing by the number will not help. How many books have been purchased of that particular year means it. That is what the median, or the middle number, you can say. Okay, or that is why purposely I have taken median rather than going for average. Yeah, that's
So
it. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Really very helpful and very informative session you have conducted. And
Yeah,
I hope that all the participants also would have experienced the same. And it is my humble
Hello, hello.
it is my humble request to all the participants to make use of this. See, in the beginning you may find little difficult because it is first time you are going to use, but later you will realize that you have got something which is very very useful in your academia, your
yeah.
career, your research work, and many more. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you. Thank you very
accepting the
much. Yeah,
invitation.
thank you very
And
much.
I am
Yeah,
thankful to all the participants for joining the session. And rest of the things I will share through mail, whether we will be giving the certificate or not, or whatever. So thanks everyone. Thank you, sir. Good night,
thank
everyone.
you.
Take
Thank
care
you.
of
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah. Thank you.